If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Lyft account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll through the settings options until you find Security or two-factor authentication. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. You will see an option to turn off two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch or select the option to disable it. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling, you might receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check that two-factor authentication is no longer active on your account. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Lyft account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.